Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to see about mathematics for 8th standard. Okay. So this is the first video for you. So today we are going to take first unit numbers. Before that we are going to see some types of number. The first type is natural numbers. So natural numbers usually starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And it is denoted by capital N. Once again, natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And it is denoted by capital N. And it is also called as counting numbers. It is also called as counting numbers. The second type is whole number. Whole numbers. And it usually starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And it is denoted by capital W. Once again, whole number, it is the second type. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. and it is denoted by capital W. Then the third type is integers. So integer is none other than whole number, plus negative numbers. Whole numbers plus negative numbers is known as integers. That is etc. minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So it is the form for integers and it is denoted by capital Z. So integer is none other than whole number plus negative number and it is denoted by capital Z. Next, fourth one, rational numbers. Rational numbers. It will be always in the form A by B. So this is the form for rational numbers A by B. Where the first condition is A and B are any integer. And the second condition is B is not equal to 0. These are the two conditions for rational number. Once again, rational numbers will be in the form A by B, where A, B are any integer and B not equal to 0. So these are the types of rational numbers. Once again, the first one natural numbers and it is denoted by capital N. Second one whole number, it is denoted by W. Third one integer, it is denoted by capital Z. The fourth one rational number and it is denoted by capital Q. These are the four types. Now rational numbers can be classified into two types. Rational numbers can be classified into two types. The one is positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. That means example 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Listen. See the first example 3 by 5. It is in the form A by B. And B must be not equal to 0. Here B is 5. 5 is not equal to 0. So it is a rational number. Here plus 3, here also plus 5. So this is a positive rational number. In the second one, minus 2 divided by minus 7. This is also in the form A by B. Here minus 7 is not equal to 0. So this is also a rational number. See, minus minus cancel. Again this is a positive rational number. So these two are examples for positive rational numbers. The second type is negative rational number. Example, minus 2 by 7, comma 7 by minus 9. These two are the examples for negative rational numbers. See the first example, minus 2 by 7. Here it is in the form a by b and b is here 7. 7 is not equal to 0. So this is minus, this is plus. Minus into plus minus. So it is a negative rational number. This is also a negative rational numbers. These are the two types of rational numbers. One is positive rational number and the second one is negative rational numbers. Next. Next we are going to see standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational numbers. What is the meaning for standard form? We have to simplify the given rational number. So, question is write the given rational number (48 by 18) in standard form. So this is the question. What is the question given? Write the given rational number. 48 divided by 80. It is in the form a by b. So this is a rational number. We have to convert this rational number into a standard form. This is the question. Solution. The question given is 48 divided by 80. Okay, this is the question. So see the numerator 8, 48 is given, the last digit is 8. Here the denominator 18 is given, the last digit is 8. 8 is an even number since ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. So 8 is even number in both cases. So we have to divide with 2. So 48 divided by 2 divided 18 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2, what is the answer? If you know means you can directly divide or do in the side of the page. So 248. See the first number 4 is given. 4 is greater than 2. So we can take one number alone. So 2 2s are 4. Next we have to subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. Next we have to take next number 8. Again 8 is greater than 2. So we can take 8 alone. 2 4s are 8. Next we have to subtract. So 8 minus 8, 0. So what is the answer? 48 divided by 2, 24. Divided by. Next we have to divide 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2. See the first number 1. 1 is smaller than 2. So we have to take two numbers at the time. So 2 9s are 18. Now we have to subtract. So 18 minus 18, 0. So 18 divided by 2, 9. Now see, 24 is given. See the last digit 4 is there. 4 is an even number. So we can divide 24 with 2. But here 9 is there. We can't divide with 2. Why? Because 9 is an odd number. So we have to take with 3 table. 3 table you have to add 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 6 will come. So 6 is divisible by 3. So we can divide 24 with 3. Here 9 is also divisible by 3. So we can divide with 3 table. So 24 divided by 3 divided 9 divided by 3, which is equal to, now 24 3. See this one again. See the first number 2 is given. 2 is smaller than 3. So we have to take the next number also. So 24 at the time. So 3 8s are 24. Balance 0. So 24 divided by 3, 8 will come. Divided by 9 divided by 3, 3 you will get. This is the simplest form for the given rational number. So therefore the standard form for 48 divided by 18 is 8 by 3. So this is the answer. Once again listen. What is the question given? Write the given rational number 48 divided by 18 in standard form. Standard form means we have to simplify. So first we are writing the given rational number 48 divided by 18. See the last digit in each cases. Here 8 is given, here also 8 is given. 8 is an even number. So we can divide 48 and 18 with 2 table. So 48 divided by 2 divided by 18 divided by 2. 48 divided by 2 you will get 24. 18 divided by 2 you will get 9. Again here 24 is an even number but 9 is not an even number. So we can't divide both the terms with 2. So we are taking next 3. So 24 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. So 24 divided by 3 is 8. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is the simplest form or standard form for 48 divided by 18. Next. Okay, based on this standard form, I will give you 3 homeworks. Convert the following rational numbers into standard form. 15 divided by 35, 48 divided by 10, 36 divided by 16. Okay, what is the homework? Convert the following rational numbers into standard form. Using the same method, same process, you have to do these 3 problems and send through WhatsApp number. Okay, ma? Thank you.